Good evening, friends. See, here I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of National Fittings Limited. You can see the long-term chart of the company here, how company was falling down from 250 rupees to 55 rupees now. So you can see the one day chart of the company, 1 month chart of the company. In last 1 month and last 3 months, company was basically 6 months. It is showing upward and bullish trend. Okay, let's check more deliveries amount. Delivery companies delivery 70% is very good. People are buying and holding it. And you can see the corporate action here. Companies was paying dividend consistently. I think this year company paid 1 rupees dividend, but it is not mentioned here. Now you can go into the technical. You can see the technical indicator. Last 1 year company's performance was 100% return. Indicator, you can see company is showing something neutral overbought, but always check with the technical advisor before buying any stock on the technical basis. Sector, you can see companies dealing in the automotive ancillary industry, casting and forging, you can see here. And you can go into website here also. Okay, yeah. There is yeah, here. So you can see the side of the company here. The company is dealing grouped scoopling and fitting. You can see the side of the company, how company is making different coupling, decoupling. National Fitting Limited is an expert oriented company, ISO certified manufacturer of the quality piping component pipes to the various industries. Management company management is by the team experience, professional, deep domain expertise. This is the different large companies having different sites here. You can see group piping, screw piping, valve fitting, pump fitting, screwed. Very good company, and a very niche and very special kind of product they are making. So let's see here the price of the company is 55.20, market cap 50.14, just 50 crore market cap. EPS is 2.22, earning price to earning ratio is 20.9, industry P 16, book value 56.19. Right now company is trading at lower than book value. Price to book value 0.9998, dividend is 1.81, number of shares subscribed 0.91 crore, face value 10. You can see the quarterly result of the company. June was 8 crore. Now again same 8 crore here. There is no change in the overall sales. There was something happen, a very high increase in the March 2021. So you can see how company was basically triggered when the lockdown was open. I think now in the coming quarter is going to give very good result for this company. Other income is also, you can see companies manage very well. Interest reduced by the company superbly. Very good sign. Companies reducing their particular debt slowly. PBIT is also increasing slowly. Net profit is also going minus to minus, but minus is now down 0.68 minus to 0.31. But if you see that company was triggering 1.2 crore in March 2021, very good sign for the company. If you see the annual result, how company was chart was growing upward and going to downward since 2009, 18, 19, 20, 21. EBITDA is also very flat and down. But if you see till 2018, the company's EBITDA was growing very well. Margin was very well maintained earlier. If you see interest of the company was interest also reduced from 1.7 crore to 0.98 crore. PBIT is also, you can see how company is growing 15.96 to 2.3835, very low, and growth, negative growth you can see for the company. Okay, now you can go into ratio. You can see how companies return on equity is just 2.61, return on capital was just 4.4 4.41, and return on asset 1.53. Efficiency ratio, you can check everything is negative. EBITDA margin going negative, down, EBIT margin going down, PAT margin going down, earning per share is also going down 8 to 1. Book value per share is also basically 223.54 to 55.38, 54.72. Asset turnover ratio is also 1.47, 0.65. Number of days receivable is 17.13, so 25.8 says it is increasing. Days working capital also increasing slowly. It's not, but I think company can recover all these things in the coming days. chart, you can see the balance sheet of the company here. Now just you can see the balance sheet. Wow, wow, very good sign. Equity capital company basically reducing, okay, 8 to 9, very good sign. And you can see here that the reserve, company reserve is also growing from 11 crore to 41 crore, very good sign. Last 2-3 years the reserve is not going so down, even company trading negative profit but maintaining well. No, non-current liability just 9 crore, current asset 25 crore, sorry, current liabilities 25 crore, non-current asset 50 crore. Against non-current liability 9 crore, it is having 50 crore non-current asset, very good sign. Current asset 33 crore. If you see the current liabilities 25 crore, but current assets 33 crore, very near to the company, but I think company can basically manage this in the coming year and coming days. Because of lockdown, company was having issues, challenges, but I think company can do it well. Net sales was growing, everything was growing after paying interest, depreciation. Companies just creating 1 crore profit. Cash flow, company is maintaining good cash flow. I think was last year's I think having some challenges, but if you see the chart of the company since before that, so company was basically showing very upward trend. Shareholder pattern, you can say what a promoter is basically intact, holding 34.04, okay, and very good sign. If you see the promoter chart here, okay, foreign promoters living in out of India, very good. DII is also holding, a non-institution holding intact 65.95, never losing single one. So you can see the company promoter name is AV Pali Nivas Swami, very good. Board of director, you can see here. Mutual fund, outlook nothing, age report nothing, scan fundamental nothing. So hope this video helped you to understand the overall scenario of this company, National Fittings. Always check with your advisor before buying any stock. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.